Hello, wonderful students. For social studies and science this week, we are learning about the Galapagos Islands, an archipelago, a group of islands, archipelago, that are located off of South America by Ecuador and on the equator. And we know the equator can be very hot. If you're on the land by the equator, it can be very hot. But as the water is very, very deep, the water can still stay very cold, especially at the deeper parts, which is why some of the animals, like the sea lions that we were learning about, have blubber or things that might help them keep warm. Now, we've been looking at a few of the islands. Today, we're going to be going to Santa Fe. And here's another little island down here called Española. And these two small islands are completely protected as national parks. You cannot build a building there or a house. You have to go with a guide, and they protect all of the animals and plants there. And then here's another island we're going to learn about called Island of Fernandina. And it's a little bit bigger island. Okay. And we are going to be finding an amazing animal there called the iguana. And there are actually several types of iguanas that live in the Galapagos Islands. One of them is this one, the golden iguana. And in our book by Grayson, who's only 8 years old, it says the Galapagos land iguana. This is a male Galapagos land iguana. I know he is a male because of his large size and the spines on the crest of his head. He is sunning to get warm since he is a cold-blooded reptile. And you can watch a link on this page that talks more about reptiles. And we've talked about cold-blooded and warm-blooded. Our bodies are warm-blooded. We can keep the inside of them warm all by ourselves, but reptiles can't. They need to get into the sun or have another heat source that helps their body warm up if they get cold. So this is the golden iguana, and here is a picture of a golden iguana that I took right there. And I'm actually going to post a video that I have of some land iguanas that are eating pieces of a cactus. And it's pretty cute because one of the iguanas tries to run away with a piece of the cactus, but he gets caught and they get the cactus piece back. So you can watch that little video. But there is another exciting type of iguana that you can find in the Galapagos Islands, and it is endemic, our spicy word for this unit. That means it is only found in the Galapagos Islands. That's the only place you can go in the whole world to find it. It is endemic. And that animal is the Galapagos marine iguana. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. That one has a little crab on his tail. And here's a whole group of them. And I can tell you that's exactly what they do. They come up on the land to warm up, but what makes them special is that they can dive into the ocean and swim all the way down. One of the things they eat, the main thing they eat is algae. So they're not eating the cactus like the land iguana is. They're going down into the water to eat algae, and they can swim so fast. I'm going to put a link on this page where you can watch some more about a marine iguana and watch them swimming. It says in the book, Galapagos marine iguana. While visiting Punta Espinosa on Fernandina Island, the bigger island that I showed you on the map, I climbed black lava flows and rocks and saw lots and lots of marine iguanas. They were all huddled together on the lava rocks sunning. The special thing about marine iguanas is that they are the only lizards in the world that swim. Marine iguanas eat algae from the lava rocks while completely underwater. When they are eating algae, they drink a lot of salt water, so when they get back on the shore, they blow the salt out of their noses. Ha! They reminded me of dragons because of their scaly bodies and the spikes on their back, but obviously without the fire breathing in the wings. Instead, they were hacking, coughing, and snorting all over the lava flows. And here is a picture that I took of marine iguanas. And this one was on the island of Hispaniola. Look at them, aren't they amazing? And remember, they are endemic to the Galapagos Islands. So if you want to go see some amazing marine iguanas like these, you will need to take a trip to the Galapagos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.